Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totkey. Today in this video I will tell you apple cider vinegar cleanse to lose weight. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Overweight or not, we all seek detox to get rid of toxins and give our system a fresh start. You must have heard about juice detox, salad detox, but have you heard of apple cider vinegar detox? Yes, a mixture of apple cider vinegar with some spices is the new cleanse that people are trying in order to lose weight. The detox is reportedly helping people lose weight, lower their cholesterol, control blood sugar, lower the blood pressure, boost the immune system, relieve constipation, and regulates the body's pH. What is apple cider vinegar detox? The idea of using apple cider vinegar for detoxification goes back to thousands of years. Some even claim it to be the father of medicine. For the detox, you need to use the unfiltered apple cider vinegar that still has the mother. Undefined, unpasteurized, and unfiltered apple cider vinegar that has beneficial bacteria in it. The mother contains the good bacteria for the gut and vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Apple cider vinegar with the mother can be cloudy or murky. How to do an apple cider vinegar detox? Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 250 ml purified or distilled water, and 1 to 2 tablespoons sweeteners, honey, maple syrup, or stevia. Some people like to add lemon or pepper to the mixture. One must consume these regularly for a set period of time, week or month, to reap benefit. Many people prefer consuming it 3 times a day upon walking, mid-morning and mid-afternoon. Apple cider vinegar for weight loss. A Japanese study conducted in 2009 studied 155 people. These people were divided into 3 groups, with one group having a placebo, another group having 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and the third group having 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. After 12 weeks, it was found that people who had placebo lost no weight, while those who had vinegar lost 2 to 4 pounds by the end of the study. Apple cider cleanse are said to be satiating, which can help you lose weight. The vinegar's acidity can activate the low pH and slow digestion. Slow digestion means feeling fuller and thus no binge eating. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.